All right, so in this particular question, we're using this particular formula here to find the gradient of the line that is perpendicular to the graph of these equations. So basically what happens is, if you have two lines like this, and let's just say the gradient of this line is 2/3, if you wanted to use this formula to find out the gradient of the other line, all you have to do is switch these around and reverse the positive or negative attribute of it. So m2 would equal to -3/2, basically. Okay. Now, what if in this case for part A, we've got a gradient of 3. So this is 3, right? Then 3 is the same thing as 3/1, and m2 would equal to -1/3. So flip it around and change the sign. So for the first question, m2 would equal to -1/3. For part B, it's saying the gradient here is -2 of this line. When the gradient is -2, that means it's a line that's sloping down, like that. It belongs to this line. Then -2 is the same thing as -2/1. If you were to find out the gradient of the line perpendicular to it, you switch this around. So that'll become 1/2, but change from negative to positive. So m2 would equal to half. For question C, we've got a gradient of 7/8. That's a positive number. So that means it belongs to this line here. So m1 is 7/8. m2 will be the negative reciprocal of that. So it's -8/7. Just flip it around, make the sign different. Okay. Last but not least, -4/9. So if you flip that gradient around and make it positive, it'll be 9/4 instead of 4/9. So instead of being negative, it will be positive also.